So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable one-click pay on Temu. So first of all, you should open up your Temu app. After that, you will see this section that says underneath home. You can see categories, you, cart. You can see the search and some offers which are on the home page. From here, open up you. You can see your orders, messages, reviews, history, win reward, addresses, and following, as well as some other featured items underneath. Open up your settings in the top right corner. Through here, you can see your account security, privacy, safety center, payment methods, and so on. I suggest you go to the payment methods since disabling the one-click pay, it's going to be linked to that. Now, through your payment methods, once you've linked a credit card or a debit card, you can see and add it through there. Removing one-click pay feature is actually through the settings page. You will find various options for managing your payment methods, and you will need to find one-click pay option or something similarly named and then selected. And you should be able to toggle between turning that function on and off. So basically it's through your payment methods, and once you've added that payment method that you don't have to click each time, you can find a feature of disabling one-click pay through your payment methods. It should be linked to that. If it's not, you should maybe try the web version and toggle the function on there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.